Hey guys, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Sailfish 245 dual console. As you can see, full hull color here on this boat. Ice blue with matching hardtop. On the transom here, you'll see we have a white Mercury Verado 300 horsepower. You can also see this boat is equipped with trim tabs, underwater lights, a lot of good options on here. Here's their standard swim ladder, nice and long for you to get up and out of the boat. First, you'll notice when you're stepping into the 245 for a 24-foot boat, you have a lot of room here in the cockpit. You can fold out the seats, or you can put them all away if you're fishing or crabbing for the day. Also, across the transom here, you have retractable ski tow bar, freshwater washdown, and rod holders all the way across. Moving forward, nice helm seat here with thigh-high bolster. Swivels and the armrest can also come down as well. Garmin display with a Mercury readout for the Verado. Rocker switching across. This boat does have the power steering and the trim tab indicators right here. On the port side, we got a nice sized head. I know everybody wants to see if they would fit in. I'm 5'6", easily can get in here, duck down, and have a lot of headspace. Nice countertop down there, sink, couple cup holders, just in case you want to bring your beverage down there. On the hardtop here, all LED lighting, life jacket, storage right here. Moving forward, Pete will show you the bow area, so it gives you that bow rider feel with the dual console. Over the top, windlass. Storage underneath all these seats. Nice gas strut assisted finished box. Lid is finished as well. Cup holders up here, speakers. This boat has everything. Looking back, you'll be able to see the nice big hardtop covers the pretty much most of the boat here. You can pretty much fit about 5-6 people just under the hardtop if there's a storm like it's raining down today. You can also fold this seat back. This seat can go all the way down, giving you a nice bench seat all the way across. So again, this is a 2021 Sailfish 245 dual console located here in Brick, New Jersey. My name's Frank and Teskey. Thank you for your time and see you soon.